Welcome to our latest video, 10 Fun Facts About Clouds, where we dive into the fascinating world above us. Have you ever wondered what clouds are made of or why they come in so many different shapes and colors? Join us as we explore the science behind their composition, learn about the highest clouds in the atmosphere, and discover some mind-blowing facts about clouds on other planets. Get ready to see clouds in a whole new light. 1. Cloud composition. Clouds are a fascinating part of our sky, made up of countless tiny water droplets or ice crystals. When these droplets or crystals cluster together, they become large enough to be seen as clouds. It's like nature's way of painting the sky with soft, fluffy strokes. Imagine millions of these microscopic droplets floating together, creating the diverse shapes and sizes we see overhead. Interestingly, each droplet is so small that it takes about 1 million of them to form a single raindrop. This transformation from invisible moisture to visible cloud is a mesmerizing process, showcasing the beauty and complexity of nature. It's a reminder of how something so simple can create such magnificent scenes above us. 2. Different types. Clouds are categorized into 3 main groups based on their altitude: cirrus, cumulus, and stratus. Cirrus clouds are high-altitude clouds, often appearing as thin, wispy strands. They are usually found at altitudes above 20,000 feet and are composed mostly of ice crystals. Cumulus clouds, on the other hand, are mid-level clouds that appear as fluffy, white cotton balls in the sky. They are often associated with fair weather but can grow into towering cumulonimbus clouds, bringing thunderstorms. Stratus clouds are low-level clouds that cover the sky like a blanket, often bringing overcast conditions. Each type of cloud has unique characteristics and plays a different role in the weather patterns we experience. 3. The highest clouds. The highest clouds in Earth's atmosphere are noctilucent clouds, which reside in the mesosphere at altitudes of about 76 to 85 kilometers, 47 to 53 miles. These clouds are a rare sight, visible only during twilight when the sun is just below the horizon. They appear as glowing, silvery blue streaks in the sky, creating a breathtaking display. Unlike typical clouds, which are formed from water droplets or ice crystals, noctilucent clouds are made up of tiny ice crystals formed around dust particles from meteoroids. Their elusive nature and ethereal beauty make them a captivating subject for sky gazers and scientists alike. 4. Cloud weight. Despite their light and fluffy appearance, clouds can be surprisingly heavy. A typical cumulus cloud, for example, weighs about 1.1 million pounds, 500,000 kilograms, due to the water content it holds. To put that in perspective, that's roughly equivalent to the weight of 100 elephants. This immense weight is because clouds contain billions of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. However, they don't come crashing down because the droplets are spread out over a large area, and the upward movement of warm air keeps them suspended in the sky. It's a testament to the delicate balance of forces at play in our atmosphere. 5. Color variations. The color of clouds can vary greatly, depending on the lighting and their thickness. Clouds appear white because they reflect all wavelengths of sunlight, scattering the light in all directions. This scattering makes them look bright and white against the blue sky. However, clouds can appear gray or dark when they are thick enough to block sunlight or when the sun is lower in the sky, casting longer shadows. During sunrise or sunset, clouds can take on vibrant hues of red, orange, and pink due to the angle of the sun's rays. These color variations add to the ever-changing beauty of the sky, creating stunning visual displays. 6. Clouds on other planets. Clouds are not unique to Earth. They exist on other planets too. For instance, Venus is shrouded in thick clouds made of sulfuric acid, creating a hostile and scorching environment. These clouds reflect sunlight, making Venus one of the brightest objects in our sky. Jupiter, on the other hand, has clouds of ammonia, contributing to its colorful and dynamic atmosphere. The clouds on these planets are formed from different chemicals, but they serve similar purposes, such as influencing weather patterns and reflecting sunlight. Studying clouds on other planets helps scientists understand the atmospheric processes that occur beyond Earth. 7. Cloud seeding. Humans have found ways to influence cloud formation through a process called cloud seeding. This involves introducing substances like silver iodide into clouds to encourage precipitation. The idea is to provide a nucleus around which water droplets can form, increasing the likelihood of rain or snow. Cloud seeding is used in various regions to enhance water supply, reduce hail damage, and even mitigate droughts. While it's not a guaranteed solution, it demonstrates our ability to interact with and potentially alter natural weather processes. It's a fascinating intersection of science and nature, showing how humans can attempt to harness and influence the skies. 8. Fastest moving cloud. High-altitude clouds, such as cirrus clouds, can move at astonishing speeds due to the strong winds in the upper atmosphere. These clouds can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, racing across the sky like ethereal sprinters. Their rapid movement is influenced by the jet stream, a fast-flowing air current that circles the globe. Despite their speed, cirrus clouds often appear delicate and serene, gracefully tracing patterns in the sky. Their swift journey across the heavens is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our atmosphere. 9. Fog as a cloud. Fog is essentially a cloud that forms at ground level. It occurs when the air near the ground cools, causing moisture to condense into tiny water droplets. These droplets create a thick, low-lying cloud that can obscure visibility and create a mysterious atmosphere. Fog is a common occurrence in coastal areas, valleys, and places with high humidity. It's like having a piece of the sky descend to Earth, wrapping the landscape in a soft, hazy embrace. While it can be a nuisance for drivers, fog adds an element of enchantment to the environment, transforming familiar scenes into ghostly and surreal landscapes. 10. Cloud lifetime. The lifespan of a cloud can vary widely, depending on its type and environmental conditions. Some clouds, like cumulus clouds, may only last for a few minutes, forming and dissipating as quickly as they appear. Others, like stratus clouds, can persist for hours or even days, blanketing the sky in a continuous layer. Factors such as wind, humidity, and temperature play a significant role in determining how long a cloud will last. This variability in cloud lifetimes adds to the dynamic nature of our atmosphere, where no 2 days or skies are ever exactly the same.